Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be demonstrating how I prepare clove spray for maximum hair growth. I'm going to be demonstrating how I prepare it from scratch, how I apply it to my hair for longer and thicker hair. So this is my spray and it's all ready. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's been a hot minute since I last prepared cloves, and this is what cloves look like. I'm using the dried buds of cloves. They are naturally very aromatic, guys. Such a sweet smelling spice. I'm also going to be adding fenugreek seeds to my clove spray. This is what fenugreek seeds look like, and this is what cloves look like. So this is a side by side, and both of these ingredients are absolute favorites for me when it comes to DIY hair care. Also, I'm going to be adding some aloe vera to this hairspray, and this is my aloe vera. Aloe vera is very commonly used in the natural hair community, and I also use it all the time for one thing or the other where my hair is concerned. And guys, I want to quickly point out I missed filming a couple of parts of this tutorial, but for the parts that I did film, I'm going to go ahead and explain what I did. So I'm pouring some water from a mason jar into my boiler, and then I'm going to proceed to add my cloves. Now, I didn't make too much of the hairspray this one time, so for your quantity you're going to prepare just as much as you need, and that's exactly what I did. I just added enough cloves to give me a bottle of hairspray, and then I proceeded to add fenugreek. Fenugreek was not quite the major ingredient for this hairspray, that was cloves, so I just added a few spoonfuls of fenugreek just to complement the cloves and to increase the benefits of the spray. And then I proceeded to add my aloe vera to the boiler. Now, I like to add my ingredients before the water starts boiling, so I added all of the ingredients and then I let it cook alongside with the water. You can see how clear the water is. Once this is done, the water is going to be a brownish color, and then you're going to know that your spray is ready to be set down. You can see the water, the color is brown. That's how it should be. So I let this cook for 20 minutes in total. This boiler cooks really slowly, so the heat was not too severe. I let it cook for 20 minutes and then I set it down. When it comes to cloves, you can either use the leaves, the stem, the oil, or the dried bud. I use the dried buds to prepare this spray, and cloves are extremely aromatic. They are one of my favorite things when it comes to smell and when it comes to DIY ingredients for hair. They are also a popular source of Ayurvedic treatments which help to grow longer, stronger hair when used consistently. There are antioxidants which help to protect the hair and scalp from diseases and also from dandruff. They have anti-inflammatory properties which help to keep hair and scalp disease at bay. They help to improve blood circulation through the scalp, and they also help to prevent graying of hair. For fenugreek and aloe vera, both are extremely moisturizing ingredients which also help to grow longer and stronger hair. They also have antioxidant properties which help to protect hair growth cells from damage by free radicals, boost hair growth. They both also help to improve blood circulation through the scalp. They promote the growth of stronger hair strands, and they help to reduce shedding and hair loss. So what you can see me do here is turn all of the ingredients into a mason jar, and after that I let the spray to cool down completely before I proceeded to the next step. And that's it, guys. This is the finished result. The spray is ready to be applied to your hair. For preservation, just store this in your fridge, especially if you made a quantity that won't finish in one use. So just store this in your fridge whenever you're done applying it to your hair. And I'm going to proceed to show you guys how I applied this. My hair is dry and I'm just going to do a little bit of moisturizing with clove spray and some hair butter. Let's quickly run down the benefits of the spray again. The three ingredients were cloves, aloe vera, and fenugreek seeds, and combined these three help to grow your hair longer and stronger. They have antioxidant properties which help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also have anti-inflammatory properties which help to keep hair and scalp disease at bay. And the spray also helps to improve blood circulation through your scalp and prevent graying. So this is a very effective spray if you're trying to grow your hair out. For best results, I suggest you apply this to your hair daily. If you can't do daily, apply it to your hair at least every 2 days. That way you maximize the results that you get. It also helps to prevent and reduce breakage, guys. So that's about it for the spray. I'm simply applying it to my hair in sections before I proceed to apply some butter. This is also clove butter and I literally just made it as I was making the spray. I'm going to be dropping the tutorial to that after this video, hopefully. So I'll show you guys how I got that done. It was really easy to make and it's super moisturizing. So I'm just going to apply that to my hair, comb the section out, and proceed to braid this section. I did cornrows for my protective style and I'm just going to finish that up.